The seven segmental display interface with the 8051. Okay. So as you know that the seven segment display which is having a seven segmental LEDs. So we are considered here the seven segment display like this. This is my seven segment display. Okay. The seven segment display is considered A,
Here
B,
A,
C, D,
the
E,
B,
F,
the
G.
C
These are the individual
and G.
LEDs.
These
So we are
seven
consider
LEDs
A,
are
B,
defined
C,
one display.
D. So it is called as a
E,
seven segmental
F,
display.
G.
Seven
And
segment
last one
display,
is
we
a
have to interpret.
decimal point, that is dB. 5.
Okay, these LEDs are considered. These LEDs are considered for our 8051 coding. That is considered as a hexadecimal coding. Now, first we have to what we have to display. The display is nothing but we are defined the alphabetical number, which is considered 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. So this alphabetical number we are going to display on the 7 segment display. Okay. So this is my display, which is I am going to consider 7 segment display. Okay. For 0, the 7 segment display is defined the LEDs A, B, C, D, E, F. So that this is nothing but the 0. So which LEDs are considered 1, that LED is a glow. So here for 0, the A is a glow, B is also glow, C, D, E, F are on state and only G is a off state. So we are consider A equal to 1, B equal to 1, C equal to 1, D equal to 1, E equal to 1, F equal to 1. G is not defined, so G equal to 0 and DB is also considered as a 0. So whatever the display, this display we are consider here, this display we are consider here, okay, for 0, consider 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So that the hexadecimal code is considered, this is a 3 and this is a F. So hexadecimal value is a 3FH. Okay, 3FH. Now for the 1, we have a display 1. For 1, we only on the LED, that is B and C. That is B and C we have to on, and rest of all are considered as a 0. Okay. So what is the hexadecimal code for 1? Tell me. It is 0 and this is a 6. So we are considered 0, 6. Pratanga, are you able to understand this part?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now, the next is consider for 2. For 2, which LEDs are turned on? The A, then B, then G, then E, and then D. So we are consider A, then B, then G, then E, then D. Okay? And rest of all are considered as a 0. So what is the hexadecimal for this? hexadecimal for this. This is a 5 and this is a B. So it is considered 5B. Okay. For 3, we are considered A, B, G, C and D. So we are considered A, B, C, D and G. And F and E are considered as a 0. And DB is also, by default, DB is 0. So what is the hexadecimal code? This is for 4 and this is the F, which is considered 4F. Okay. Next is 4. For 4, we have to define the B, C, G and F. Consider as a 1. A is considered 0, B is considered 1, B is 1, C is 1, then B is 0, E is 0, then F equal to 1 and G equal to 1. DB equal to 0. So it is considered as a 4, 6 and this is also 6. So 4 equal to decimal value is 6. Okay. Now next we have to define the 5. Where is 5? This is my 5. It is considered A, F, G and C and D. So we are considered A, F, G and C and D. Rest of all are considered as a 0. So 5, display 5 is considered as a 6 and this is D. 6 D. Next, for 6, only B is not only B is a turn off and rest of all LEDs are turned on. Only B is considered 0. Rest of all LEDs are considered 1, 1, 1. And this B is 0. So what is the value of hexadecimal? This is a 7. This is a D. That is nothing but 7D. For 7, it is A, B and C. A, B and C. And rest of all are considered as a 0. So what is the hexadecimal value? It is a 0, 7. It is considered 0, 7. Okay. For 8, all LEDs are turned on. For 8, all LEDs are turned on. That is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. And DB is considered as a 0. DB is considered as a 0. For 8, hexadecimal value is 7F. 7F. Okay. Now, next is 9. For 9, only E is considered as a 0. Only E is considered as a 0. And rest of all LEDs turn on. Rest of all LEDs turn off. Turn on. That is considered. This is considered for 9. What is the 9? Tell me. This is F and this is a this is 0. This is 6, this is F. 6 F. 6F. Okay. Now the display of 0 to 9, we define the hexadecimal value. Now we are going to interface this display to the 8051. So go to the Protis, take the Nancy fiber, take one LED, and we are going to interface this 7-segment display to the port 1. Okay. So I am going to define the port 1 for this LED. We are consider this is the first value and this is the MS LSB. So we are consider this is the LSB is connected to the A, then B, then C, then D, then E, F up to G. Okay. So make the connections. This is first we have to define 1. So make sure this is we have to not going to short anything for anyone. Okay. So I'm going to connect all the be careful if anyone terminal gets shorted, then result will not displayed. Be careful about the connections. Are you able to understand this part? Give me the
Yes, sir.
confirmation. Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Okay, fine. So I am going to connect this 7-segment display to the port 1. Now I am going to write a program for this port. Okay. So that first of all we have to consider the ORG 0000H. Okay. Now I am going to display. What the display we have to define. Display we have to define to 0 to 9. So my accumulator is considered up to the 0 to 9. So I'm going to define the accumulator with initialize with the 9, which is considered move a comma hash 0 9 h. So whatever the maximum value is counted up to a 9. Okay, that is nothing but the initialization of accumulator. That is nothing but the initialization of accumulator. The next, this 9 we have to move into the B register for each and every time we are increase this 0 to 9. After 9, it again comes to the 0. So I require one B register for this 09 is stored into the B register. Now, I am going to set the counter. I am going to set the counter. Why we require the counter? Because we started from 0 and ended to the 9. So how many count is required? 0 to 9 count is required. So there is a 10 count we are defining. So I am going to initialize the counter R0 comma hash 0AH. Why it is 0AH? Because 0 to 9 is nothing but 10 count. So 0A is nothing but my counter 10. Understood part? Understand this part? Are you able to understand
Yes,
this
sir.
part?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Then we have to take the B register into the accumulator. Whatever the we have to move that B register into the accumulator, then we have to increase the accumulator. Okay. Why? Because after 9, it again goes to the 0 part. After 9, it again goes to the 0 part. And then again we have to move into the B register and move B comma A. After increment, the 0 comes to the B register. Okay. Now, the main important thing, we have to define this decimal value. We have to define this hexadecimal value. So we have to make this hexadecimal value into the particular address location. Okay. So that particular address location, we have to define move C A comma at the rate of A plus PC. Why is it A plus PC? Because my program counter is point to the initial stage of this address. Okay. Next, we have to define this value goes to the my port 1. So I am going to define move port 1 comma A. Okay. Why? Because the 0 goes to the port A, and the port A is connected to the 7 segment display. So I am going to define the port A. Okay. Next, to display that value, we are going to call delay A call delay. Okay. After displaying, then we have to move to the next number. For next number, we have to decrease my counter. So we have to define decrease the counter, which is considered DCR0. DCR0. Here is my R0. Okay. DCR0. Then after decrement, we have to check whether my accumulator is initialized to 0. So I am going to define move A comma R0. Okay. And then we have to jump at the start. Why it is considered as a start? Because here I am going to define my counter is a counter from 0 to 9, and then after 9 it goes to the again 0. So that I am going to jump if accumulator is 0. When the accumulator is 0, when your count is complete from 0 to 9, then accumulator is 0. And then when accumulator is 0, then it again starts from 0 to 9. Okay, so we have to move this R0 status in accumulator, and then we check the R0 is 0 or not. And then after we have to define the jump sjump for label where we have to define this label. This label is considered for here. Why? Because if we are started from 0, then again we are going to data stored into the accumulator. Again we have to increase. Again we have to define the B register. Again we have to define the next value. Okay. And the start we are considered start we are consider from here. Okay. Now we are going to define. Now we are going to define the decimal point. Okay. So I am going to here I am going to define the decimal point dB. Here I am going to define dB space 0. What the first is 3F. 3F. This is for display 0. Okay. The next value is considered. Next value is considered for what? 06. So we are considered this is a 06 for display 1. The next value is considered for 5B. 5 and B. It is considered for display 2. The next is
4F.
4F. Very good. 4F for display 3. Next is considered for
66.
66 for display 4. The next is considered for
6D.
6D. Very good. 6D. This is D. This is for 5. The next value is
07.
7D. 7D, na? 6. For 6,
07.
7D. 07 का 7D. 6 ला काय करतो? 7D ना? 7D. For 7, it is 07. Very good. For 7, it is. And for 8, 7F. For 8, 7F. And for 9,
6F.
6F. 6F. For display 9. Okay. After completion of this DB, then we have to, what is the remaining? Remaining is a delay program. My delay program as general, which is considered move R4, comma, hash 05H. Okay. Then we have to define move R3, comma, hash 00H or 01H, comma is here. Then move R2, comma, hash 01H. Okay. DJNZ. What is DJNZ? Here is a R4, R2. Here is required R2. DJNZ R2. Here. And this here is comes here. Okay. And after DJNZ R3. Here 1. And this here 1 is comes to here 1. And this is 4. Consider here 2. That is here 2. Then RET. And then 8. Okay. This is a delay program. this is my display 0 to 9. This is my display 0 to 9, and this is my main program. So I'm going to copy this main program, take it new project, which is considered as a 7 segment 1. Okay. Take a 8051 RD2, 8051 RD2, make all S. Then I'm going to paste this program. Okay. Save this program for 7 segment dot ASM. Okay. Is any typing mistake is there, then we have to remove that typing mistake. Okay. RET is correct. Then we have to add this into the my project. I'm going to add this into the project, then build it. There is some typing mistake. BB is a constant which is considered as a ORG is there. This is 0. Okay. This is a hexadecimal, so I'm not defining the hexadecimal, so it's showing the error. Now it is errorless or error-free program. I'm going to define the hexadecimal file. Go to the output phase, option of target, output, create a hexadecimal file. Okay. Then again save it and build it. Okay. Now it is build it. Then I'm going to define hexadecimal file here. That is where is my hexadecimal file? 7 segment 1. Okay, 7 segment 1 is this my hexadecimal file. Okay, now it is run the program. There is a delay program. I'm going to define the again, change the delay program. See here. This is my 0 to 9 display. Again, after completion of it, again consider as a 0, 1, 2, it count up to 9, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Again, it goes to the 0, 1, 2. Are you able to see this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Understand what we are learning?
Yes.
समझा लगे नहीं